Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to create a rapid fire macro on your Logitech G305 X mouse. To do that, we have to connect our mouse to a computer and launch the G-Hub application on it. Now, to create a macro itself, we're gonna have to go to Profiles, select our current profile, then click Add Macros. Let's name the macro rapid fire, and now we have 4 different macro types. The first one is for when you click a button once, the macro gets triggered once. The second one is that macro gets triggered until you stop holding the button. The third one, toggle mode, which will start repeating your macro after you click the target button once, and it will stop once you click it the second time. Sequence lets you add a sequence of different macros and assign one action to clicking a specific key, second action to holding down this specific key, and third one when you release this specific key. Let's use no repeat macro, but you can go with whichever type you like the most. And now if you want to, for example, click the left button rapidly several times, we simply have to click plus, then record keystrokes. And now let's normally click our left key, stop recording. Now let's disable showing key down, key up. Okay, for some reason we cannot do this, but doesn't matter. Let's disable using standard delays. And instead of using standard delays, we can set each delay to, for example, 10 milliseconds. Let's just copy this value and paste it everywhere. Okay, and so right now we'll basically perform 7 clicks in just 0.14 seconds of 0.14 seconds. Now if we click save and assign this macro to a specific key by going to devices, selecting our mouse, then going to assignments tab and selecting macros, and then grabbing our rapid fire and assigning it to a specific key. Basically right now clicking this key of your mouse will perform a rapid fire and will press your left mouse key 7 times, and basically we can make as many as around 21 clicks per second this way. 42 clicks per second actually, or even more, depending on how quickly you press this button. Of course, you can assign rapid fire to any key of your mouse and set the delays to any value you desire, and yeah, that's basically how you do it. So thanks so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.